When I grow up, I want to be a police officer because my dad's one and we have a canine. So I want to arrest people and help the community.
When I grow up, I want to be a singer.
When I grow up, I'm going to be a teacher.
When I grow up, I want to be a vet.
When I grow up, I want to be in the NBA.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
When I grow up, I want to be a police officer.
When I grow up, I want to be a singer. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
Whenever I grow up, I want to be a police officer.
I would like to be a scientist because I can figure things that haven't been done, that have been done, but haven't been done with science.
When I grow up, I want to be a mom.
When I grow up, I want to be an officer in the military.
When I grow up, I want to be in the Olympics.
When I grow up, I want to be a veterinarian.
Thank you for your support, Leslie Walling. Thank you for making K&E rainbow bright, Kelly Davis. Thank you so much for everything that you do for our school, Clint Judd.
Thank you for being an advocate for our teachers and students, Paul Birchie.
Thank you, Larry Bolton, for all you do.
Thank you so much for all you do for the Noster School District. We really appreciate you volunteering your time and working so hard to make us the best. Thank you, Casey Cunningham.
We appreciate everything you do, Cliff Everts.
Noster Board of Education, I want to send a sincere thank you for helping our students achieve their dreams and our teachers focus on what really counts, student success. Your determination and dedication does not go unnoticed. Thank you very much.
Mrs. Mellon, did you know this is Board Appreciation Week?
Absolutely, Mrs. Clark. I'm so glad that you brought that up. Our board does so many things for our district. I can't even begin to tell you how important the Board of Education is. They stay late nights. They make crucial decisions regarding our calendar, our salaries, our schedules. It's awesome, all the things that they do for us.
I know, wow. I was just thinking about that. It would be really cool if we could do something for them.
It really would. I wonder if we could give them a shout out.
Oh, you make me wanna shout, kick my heels up and shout, throw my hands up and shout. I say you will. Come around, say that you love me, say that you need me, say that you want me, say you wanna please me. Come on now, come on now, come on now. Kick my heels up and down, throw my hands up and down, throw my head back and down. Come on now, don't kick